So here's a little man crafting idea for you guys. Check that out. She's pretty finished. That's part of the reason why these seals go out and those things, because dust and whatnot works its way in and finishes the seals. So this obviously isn't going to do the job, and normally you'd just go buy a new one from the dealer. Not with a machine this old, you're not. So I've got something else you can do. Ta-da! That is a boot for a CV axle. Yeah, same thing in your car. Well, how good is that? Huh? Looks just like new. Does the job. She's gonna keep at least most of the crud out of my brand new seals. So there you go.